basically, if we talk about distance and displacement, so basically the distance is basically the path traveled, the path traveled over a specific period of time. And it's a scalar quantity. It's a scalar quantity. We already know that scalar and vector, like scalar quantities are those quantities which is having only magnitude. We are not concerned about the direction in scalar quantity. And displacement is a vector quantity. Displacement is a vector quantity, and it is the shortest path traveled. So this is the basic difference between distance and displacement. It's the shortest path traveled by a body. And here, the magnitude as well as direction is taken into the account. We consider direction also. Direction and magnitude both. So it's a vector quantity. We can see that with an illustration, and we will see some example which are useful to understand this topic. The same concept question also came in a NEET also, NEET exam also. So we will see that question also. Like if I say that if I am here A and I travel by like this A to C, okay, we need to travel from A to C, A to C. So there are multiple ways. Like if we say that if I travel like along AO and then OC, first I will travel AO, then I will travel OC, then I can reach to C point. Okay, so that will be our distance because it's a maximum distance. Okay, it's a maximum path travel. Now, if I'll take this distance, like if I'll take join this, if I take this path AC, so AC is basically the shortest path. So we can say that it's a displacement. That's a displacement. Okay, so you can also verify this by considering some example, like if I take some value, like this is 8 meter, this is your 6 meter. So what will be AC? AC can be calculated using Pythagoras. AO square plus OC square, which is 8 square plus 6 square, which will get root 110 meter. So that will be a 10 meter. So if I want to calculate distance, I will add 8 plus 6, which is 14 meter. And the AC is the shortest distance, which is 10 meters. So you can easily verify this. Like AC is less than AO plus OC. Okay. So it is being verified that displacement is the shortest path. But distance and displacement can be same also, but it can be more than displacement. Like displacement can't be more than distance. Okay, displacement is less than equal to distance. It can be equal also. Like it, if I take an example, like we can see if I'm traveled along A to B along a straight line like this. Okay, so in this case, the initial position is A and final position is B. Displacement is majorly concerned with the final position and initial position. Okay, so in this case, if I say that distance travel is 5 meter, so distance is equal to displacement. This is the case along the straight line. because the shortest path is also the same like the AB. So in this case, we can say distance and displacement are equal. Okay. We can take another example, which is a famous question which just came in some recent exam. Like if I travel along A to B, okay, and you have to find distance and displacement. Suppose if I say that O is the center and this is 5 meters. Okay, so you need to find distance and displacement. So what we can do, distance is basically this path, longest path AB. AB is distance. So we can easily find that it's a semicircle and the circumference will give you the distance. So the circumference of semicircle is pi into r, which is 22 by 7 into 5, because O is the center, it is mentioned. So distance OA will be the radius. So we will get the result here from uh, 22 by 7. You can easily calculate. And now if you want to find displacement, so displacement will be the shortest path from A to B. That will be this. So it's a diameter basically. Okay, so we can easily add like AO plus OB, which is twice of AO, which is 10 meters. So that's the answer of this. In the question, it was also asked like you can find the velocity also. Okay, velocity can be calculated, acceleration can be calculated. So these type of question also comes in examination in NEET and JEE Mains. So in Olympiad also. So we can do that. Okay, so that's the basic concept of distance and displacement. Okay, thank you.